In this tutorial we'll look at how to put strings or groups of letters to make words and have them scroll across the microbit LED screen. So again, we're starting with a new project. Click that. We are going to send the message hello world onto our front of our microbit. So just put the name of our project, and then the next thing we do is we look at the basic group again, and we're not looking at the LEDs this time, we're looking at strings, which are words effectively. So what we do is we drag that out into the editing area. It's already got hello for us, and we write the text in here. So add to hello world. Now, of course, that will not do anything until we put it into one of these controls, and in this case we're going to put it into, again, the forever. We drop it in there, and pretty well as soon as we've done it, you can see the words hello world with an exclamation mark scrolling across the screen of the microbit, and it will do that continually because we're in the forever control rather than the on start. And there is a basic idea of how to put a string message across, scrolling across. It's called a marquee usually when they're scrolling across like that. A message that we can put across the front of our microbit. And of course, don't forget to save.